Hello everybody, welcome back to yes 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 and video. Welcome. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make napkin airplane. So basically you grab the napkin, then you just make two little triangles on it like that. Then you make those triangles into more triangles. Wait. Then you make those triangles into this more triangles. And then you turn those triangles to more triangles. Then you turn those triangles to more triangles.
You're doing it all wrong.
Then you turn those triangles into more triangles. Then you turn those triangles into more triangles. And then boom, you have your airplane.
That thing becomes awesome.
Number